Be quiet!
Into the wall.
Alright, this is Monkey Olympics part 51, so come with me. Follow me.
It's the Olympics.
Yeah, Monkey Olympics. Alright, the first game is Mario Kart. All you gotta do is start from here, go down, around the map, come over here.
Are you sure it's Mario Kart?
Wait, what is this for?
Come here.
What is the card for?
YouTube videos. And back up from here. So,
Okay.
start from here. And go. Go. No using fan and no using mods.
I hate the music. Mario, run away. I hate your music.
Uh-oh.
Luigi. We got to beat the furry. Brown, me and you have to team up.
You beating me? Why?
Alright, you won the first game.
I'm second.
Surprisingly.
Dang it, you furry.
Come on. Come on.
You're fourth.
Come on, Blue. Come on,
I'm 30, stupid.
I bet. So, come with me for the next game.
Blue, come on. Don't I feel like I'm a quick game. This is fun. Wait, I need
Yeah, you say that until you see this game.
Yes, I'm at 83%.
Oh no.
Hey, come back over
I
here.
love this one.
Come back over here.
Oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus, I love this one.
Uh-oh, someone hit their TV. Womp womp.
I hit
Alright.
my TV. I actually hit my TV in real life while I was trying to punch Mario. I actually hit my TV. And it's
Womp
right
womp. Alright, first person to finish parkour wins. Go.
there. Are you
Go.
serious?
Go!
I'm going.
No, I fell. Oh my god.
Womp womp.
You're too slow.
You better not let the furry
Mario,
win.
You're too slow. Oh my god.
I hate you, Sonic.
You're too slow. Who's that?
Whoa.
No, no.
No.
That's it. I'm gonna have to use tactics.
I did everything.
Alright. You. Yeah, you win. So,
Dang it. I wanna get. Dang it. Hey, Sonic, you wanna go to our own code? You wanna go to our own code?
This is my second time winning.
what?
No. Hey, can somebody give me a running lesson?
Hey, come on.
A running
Where's the furry at?
Whoever's leading the game. Here's behind you. Pineapple top. Pineapple top.
Ooh.
I've won 2 times in a row.
Alright, everyone go over to that slide.
Okay.
Alright.
You moron.
Alright. I'm gonna go hide in a I'm gonna go hide in a random map. You guys wait there, and when I'm done hiding, you come and find me.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna hide somewhere,
We gotta find
and if you find me, you win the whole entire Olympics game.
Cyan, stay here. Bro, Cyan, stop cheating. Bro, stop cheating. Stay at the slide. He said to stay at the slide.
Oh my god. Mario,
Bro,
what happened to your
why?
voice? And why is there another me and he's trying to clap your ass?
Hey, yo!
I'm not Mario.
Wait, you're actually a girl?
Bro! In real life.
You
He said to stay on the slide. He never said I am on the slide.
The slide.
I'm under the slide. Gazebo,
Can we
boys.
go now? Watch this balloon. Watch the balloon. Can we go?
Everybody! Everybody, look at this! I'm gonna do a trick shot!
No, you're not.
Oh, frick! I hit my wall! Please, get on the slide! He hit his wall, rest in peace!
Oh my god, Brownie died. Look at Brown.
I hit my wall!
You're Sonic.
I
I'm
lost
not Mario.
Alright, come find me.
I'm actually a
control! I
girl.
did that was bad.
My voice is gonna sound
I
weird.
lost control!
actually a girl.
Hey, you can find me.
Considering on my age, I can literally speak like Sonic. I'm like 10 years old playing.
He's in Canyons!
I'm about to turn 11 this year. Can we go?
Guys!
Come find me. Come on.
Bro, he
That's
said,
awesome.
he said ready! Let's go! Guys, he's in Canyons somewhere? No, I think he's in the Crystal Cave.
Or what if he's in the OG caves now?
Oh,
You
he
know?
might be. I love OG
Yeah.
Caves. I like OG Caves. Wait, he might be where Mark the Shark is! Yeah, since he's in Bloody
Totally.
Canyons.
Oh no, it's up here.
Mark! Huh? Sonic, come search with me.
That means that you won.
No one found me.
He already found you?
No, no one did.
He was
Where was
in Bloody
you?
Canyons. He was in Bloody Canyons the entire time.
I'm not even in canyons.
Then why do I hear stuff from Canyons? Sonic, come check OG Caves with me.
Okay.
What the Sigma?
Let me under this thing. I hate caves. I hear him.
swear.
He's an OG.
What do you mean you hate caves?
He's an OG. I hear him. It's
No, you don't.
creepy. Bro,
Give us a hint.
Give us a hint. He's
Uh,
in OG Caves. I heard him.
I'm in one of the caves maps.
I hear you. He's in mines in OG Caves. He's in mines in OG Caves.
I'm somewhere.
OG Caves in the mines. He's in OG Caves, guys.
Gotta
I'm
get
somewhere.
fast.
He's right here.
Oh, I know exactly.
Your voice is so loud. I know
Mario,
you
where
are.
are you?
Uh-oh.
OG Caves in the mines.
Alright.
Sonic, I found him.
Bro, he won, but he won one thing. I won two. I was the black monkey at the very beginning of the thing. I just changed my color.
What?
You know the black monkey who won the race in mountains?
Where are you guys?
Yeah.
That was me. I just changed my color.
Where were you? No, you're not.
Look at my name. You can even tell by my name. I was the black monkey because I raced so much.
Alright, goodbye guys. I'm gonna...
No, it was me. I swear I didn't have the bloody.
You need
I
a
have
key
the-
card, stupid.
Hold on.
Sonic, what is it?
Alright, so I did rewatch the recording. You did technically win the first two games. But when we were doing the last game, I said specifically, whoever wins this game wins the whole thing. And he did not win the last
I
game.
should be so unfair. I literally won both the first two, and somebody won one. Like, how's that fair?
It's
Because this was the hard.
games.
Because this is the hardest. This was the hardest game. So technically, red wins.
In mine somewhere.
Like this is.
Me. I don't care.
I'll just get out of my